Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my old ride into a brand new beauty. Can I do it in just one day? When it comes to car ownership, there's nothing quite like the pride that comes with having a ride that looks brand new. Not only does it turn heads on the road, but it also adds to the overall value of your vehicle. But, let's be real, after a few months of driving, dirt and grime start to build up, and before you know it, your car is looking worn out and tired. One of the biggest culprits when it comes to a worn-out look is dirt accumulation. From dusty roads to city pollution, it's amazing how quickly dirt can build up on your car's surface. And if you don't tackle it regularly, it can cause serious damage to the paintwork, not to mention the interior. Another common problem is scratches. Whether it's a stray branch, a careless parking lot attendant, or just a random act of vandalism, scratches can be a real eyesore. And then there's fading paint. Over time, the sun's UV rays can cause your car's paint to fade, losing that showroom shine and luster. When it comes to dirt accumulation, one of the best defenses is regular washing. It sounds simple, but a good wash can work wonders in removing dirt and grime, and keeping your car looking fresh. But, it's not just about washing, you've got to make sure you're using the right techniques and products to avoid damaging the paintwork. Another common mistake is using household cleaners, which can strip the paint of its protective wax coating. And, of course, there are the notorious bird droppings. Those can be a real nightmare to remove if you don't act quickly. When it comes to dealing with scratches, it's all about being proactive. If you catch them early, you can often remove them with a bit of TLC and some specialized products. But, if you let them sit, they can become a real problem. And when it comes to fading paint, there are a few things you can do to slow down the process. From applying a paint sealant to parking in the shade, every little bit helps. Now that we've covered some of the common problems, let's talk about some of the methods you can use to get your car looking brand new again. One of the most popular is waxing. It's a great way to add a layer of protection to your car's paintwork, while also giving it that showroom shine. Another important step is interior cleaning. From vacuuming the carpets to wiping down the surfaces, a clean interior can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your car. When it comes to washing, one of the biggest mistakes people make is using circular motions with their sponge. This can cause scratches and swirl marks, which can be a real pain to remove. Instead, use a soft, microfiber cloth and work in straight lines. It may take a bit longer, but the results are well worth it. And when it comes to waxing, don't be afraid to get a bit aggressive. A good wax can really bring out the shine in your car's paintwork. I've got a special treat for you guys today. I've brought in a car that's seen better days. It's got dirt accumulation, scratches, and fading paint. It's the perfect candidate for a detailing makeover. Let's take a look at the before pictures. As you can see, this car is in dire need of some TLC. But, with a bit of elbow grease and some specialized products, we can transform it into a brand new beauty. The first step is to give the car a good wash. We'll use a soft, microfiber cloth and work in straight lines to remove all the dirt and grime. Next, we'll tackle those scratches. We'll use a specialized scratch remover and a bit of patience to get rid of them. And finally, we'll give the car a good waxing. We'll use a high-quality wax and a bit of elbow grease to bring out that showroom shine. And there you have it. The after pictures are stunning. This car has gone from a worn-out, tired ride to a brand new beauty. It's amazing what a bit of detailing can do. It's not just about making your car look good, it's about maintaining its value and extending its lifespan. Remember, regular maintenance is key. It's all about staying on top of dirt accumulation, scratches, and fading paint. Thanks for joining me on this detailing journey. If you've got some car care tips of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest automotive content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.